Today we're focusing on something pretty interesting, how mission statements actually guide institutions. Specifically, we're looking at the K-Lab at SKUAST-K.
Yeah, it's a key place for agricultural tech and science in its region. And when you look at their mandate, it's not just, one simple goal. They define themselves through 5 core activities, things they absolutely have to do. They talk about instruction, discovery, creation, then outreach, and duty. So, okay, let's unpack this a bit. How do these 5 different strands actually weave together into one cohesive mission?
It's really fascinating how the source material lays it out. The first 3 activities are sort of the core intellectual drivers. They're all about the internal work, the knowledge generation cycle. So first, they have to teach and inspire. That's fundamental, right? Educating the next wave of talent, keeping the knowledge base alive.
Right, the classic university role.
Exactly. Then pillar 2, research and discover. This is the engine, generating brand new insights, pushing the boundaries of what's known.
Okay, discovery. Makes sense. And then crucially, number 3, innovate and create. This isn't just about having ideas, it's about translating that research into something tangible. Actual outputs, new technologies, practical solutions, especially vital in agriculture.
So that cycle. Teach, discover, create. Instruction, research, application. Is there a sense, though, that one gets prioritized? Like, is innovation the hardest part? The bottleneck, maybe?
Well, the source material really emphasizes the synergy between them. You can't really innovate well without solid research underpinning it, and you can't sustain either without teaching and inspiring new people to join the effort. The message seems to be that all 3 have to be firing simultaneously. If one part falters, the whole knowledge cycle kind of breaks down.
Okay, so it's a balanced internal system. But like you said, K-Lab isn't just an internal thing, it has to connect outwards, right?
Yeah.
That's where it seems to get really interesting, moving from the lab bench to the real world.
Precisely. Internal achievements don't mean much if they stay locked inside. So the mission explicitly includes these next 2 duties that focus on external impact. First is the need to perform extension activities. Think of it like the last mile delivery for knowledge. Research finds something new, extension ensures it actually gets out to the farmers, the community, the local industries who can use it.
So actively pushing the knowledge out, not just publishing papers.
Exactly. It's about practical dissemination. And then they add this 5th layer, which is quite significant. Engage in scientific social responsibility.
SSR.
SSR.
Yeah.
What does that entail exactly? It sounds important.
It is. It's more than just, doing good. It's an ethical framework. It means thinking critically about the impact of their science and technology. Who benefits? Are the innovations accessible to everyone or just a select few? It's about consciously working towards equitable outcomes and acknowledging the social context of their work, making sure they don't unintentionally widen gaps.
I see. So it's about impact, but also responsible impact, making sure the benefits are shared fairly. That's the idea. It adds a crucial ethical dimension to the whole mission.
So, putting it all together, what does this all mean? It looks like K-Lab sees its job as incomplete until an idea born in the lab or classroom is actually out there, working responsibly, and benefiting the wider community. They're closing the loop.
Yeah, that holistic view really captures what a modern, regionally focused science institution needs to be about. It's not just about discovery or teaching or outreach, it's the integration of all 5.
From idea to responsible application.
Right, and that integration itself brings up a really interesting point, maybe something for you, the listener, to think about. Of these 5 different functions, teaching, researching, innovating, extension work, and that social responsibility piece, which one do you think is the most strategically challenging to truly integrate with the others? Because getting that balance right, making all 5 parts work together seamlessly, that seems to be the real core of the mission itself. Where does the biggest integration challenge lie?